Ritik, a few words on this dhamakedar performance, Udaan ki.
Wow, this, I feel so many things right now. I'm sure we all, are a little surprised, little shocked, very happy to see something like this. But to be honest, I'm not. I'm not, because I think we've seen so much in the past, in the whole journey of Kabul, that eyes are already open. And we have realized that the rest of the world is actually quite blind to the world of the blind, which actually is as able and as capable as ours, if not more. If not more. Yeah. So I find this really cool, you know. I want to call Udaan the new Men in Black who are going to be inspiring the entire world. That's incredible. I'm just so happy and honored that they have chosen a platform like this to display their talent. So very honored, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Yami, you want to say a few words?
Thank you. I think you've just, I totally second your thoughts. You've just stolen my words and you have stolen our hearts, Udaan. I think, I don't have words. I think you're just so amazing. We just wanted to actually sit there. We were almost dancing and cheering and hooting for you. Didn't know what to do. And Ritik's right. You're looking so hot, mon amour. So all of you. Thank you so much. And I think nothing could have been a better start to this event, to this launch. Better than Udaan. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And you know what? We want you to meet a special duo, Keval and Deepak, the founders of Udaan. So can we have Keval and Deepak on stage? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for them. Founders of this amazing band.
Okay, hi guys. That's a one step over there. Come. How are you? You're Keval? So that must be Deepak. I'll just say hello to Deepak as well. Hi Deepak, it's me, Ritik. Hi. Very happy to have you here. Very honored. Thank you for creating something like this. Thank you for showing us how much more capable and able we all are as human beings. I think it is a blessing. Whatever you have journeyed in your life is a blessing, and now what you're doing for us is a blessing to us. So thank you so much. I'll give you the mic if you want to say a few words.
I just want to say thank you so much to Ritik sir, Rakesh sir, Yami ma'am, and the entire troupe for giving us this wonderful opportunity. And I wish, on the behalf of my entire troupe, all the very best to the entire Kabul team. Thank you.
Whoa.
Deepak, would you like to say a few words?
थैंक यू सर। इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो मौका मिला है, हम लोग कई सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत सारी कठिनाइयाँ आती है, लेकिन जब ऐसा मौका मिलता है तो इस गीत में जो लाइन है, आज खुशियों से याराना कर ले, तो ये याराना करने का सच में मौका है। सारी चीज़ें भुलाकर खुशियाँ मनाने का मौका है। और मेरी तरफ से भी बहुत बहुत बधाई इस फिल्म के लिए, और ये फिल्म सुपर हिट जाएगी, इसमें कोई शंका नहीं है, कोई डाउट नहीं है। थैंक यू सो मच सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Keval. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Ritik, Yami.
Thank you.
Now it's time to showcase the song, ladies and gentlemen. We'll play the video for you, more and more. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Jitna humne ye performance ko enjoy kiya. Udaan, thank you so much. You guys are rock stars.
Thank you. One more time, guys. Thank you. Amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, Ritik. Thank you, Yami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's your mic.
Yeah. After that wonderful performance, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the song, जिसका हम सब इंतजार कर रहे थे. Yeah, that's another big surprise for all of us यहाँ पे, जो कि अब इस बड़े पर्दे पर हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. The video of More and More coming your way, ladies and gentlemen. So one more time, thank you so much, आप सबको. for this amazing song, for this amazing movie. And राकेश जी आपसे शुरू करना चाहूंगा. And this सवाल is for both of you, ऋतिक and राकेश जी. ये देखने के बाद इसमें रोमांस हमने देखा, इसमें एक्शन हमने देखा है. We all got really emotional. आप लोग के कितने इमोशंस गए और ये फिल्म जब कंप्लीट हुई थी, so what was the mindset, both of you?
कुछ नहीं, मैं जब मेरे अभी तक बाल सफ़ेद हुए हैं कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे भी दिखाई नहीं देते. लेकिन जब मैं 16 साल का था, जब मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन किया था, आज नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे 50 इयर्स हो जाएंगे, तो मेरी माँ ने मुझे कहा था कि बेटा सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलना हमेशा, और किसी को पीठ नहीं दिखाना. और सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलने के लिए आपको इमोशंस की ज़रूरत होती है, और जब तक आप में इमोशंस ना हो, आप ज़िंदगी की कोई भी चीज़ तय नहीं कर पाते. तो मेरी हर पिक्चर में आप देखेंगे कि हम इमोशनल कनेक्ट के साथ पिक्चर बनाते हैं. जब संजय गुप्ता ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई, सिर्फ 3 लाइन पे ही मैं समझ गया कि इसमें कितनी इमोशंस हैं, इसमें इनहेरेंट इमोशन है. और फिर हमने ये चैलेंज को कबूल किया और इस पिक्चर को बनाई. और मैं अपने हर टीम मेंबर्स को, जो मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठे हैं, जो बैक स्टेज हैं, जो मेरे ऑफिस में हैं, जो यहाँ नहीं आ सके हैं, ये उनके सपोर्ट के साथ ही मैं पिक्चर बना सका हूँ. एंड आई गिव फुल क्रेडिट टू देम. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir. Ritik, your views on the same.
I forgot the question only. I got
Saying
lost
how
in the
emotional
words.
was, yeah. कितना इमोशनल थी ये जर्नी आपके लिए पूरी? Yeah.
एक एक्टर के तौर पे I feel an actor's job is about emotions. This film was an emotional journey because the script demanded that, and but leaving the script aside, leaving the film aside, it has actually truly been an emotional journey, not because of the film, not because of the script. For me, it has been an emotional journey because of the people that I connected with. And I really believe that this film had a destiny, क्योंकि इस picture में, इस set पर, the people that came into the set, whether it was Yami or Sanjay or Rohit or Ronit, we all connected on such a unsaid emotional level that it was just beautiful. And it is very, very rare. And I do believe it comes all from the script, because everyone reads the script and knows that they are doing something very special. But to get people to recognize that, understand it, and then connect on such a beautiful way, I think all of us on set, we were like a family that had forgotten what the outside world is. तो वो बहुत कम होता है. And I think in my life I have got very few rare special opportunities like that. And Kabul definitely is one of them. So I am very sad that that journey is coming to an end. It's not yet over because we are all together, but because I said the emotional journey is because of the people.
Right.
The people are still here, and the people will walk with each other for a long, long time, even after the film is done. So
this will surely go down in history as a blockbuster, because trailer तो blockbuster हो गया. लोग फिल्मों की बात करते हैं, trailer को इतना प्यार इसका मिल गया है. Yami, this one's for you. The form of dance that we just saw on the big screen, that requires a lot of trust. बहुत सारे falls थे उसमें, coordination बहुत चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे miscoordinate करते हुए coordinate करना, how difficult was it?
जब मुझे ऑफ कोर्स अक्सर ये सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, यू नो, प्रमोटिंग द फिल्म, और आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्या चैलेंजेस थे. तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है, चैलेंज नंबर 1, चैलेंज नंबर 2, चैलेंज नंबर 3, 4 एंड गोज ऑन. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स when you realize कि when it's not just a challenge, it's an opportunity. I think that the journey becomes much more fun, much more, I can't explain the feeling, and especially because when you're sharing that platform with not such veterans and stalwarts and the biggest stars and the finest directors, and but it's about the fact that everybody started this journey, as just Hrithik said, like we're starting from page 1. We're all just beginners. We just want to explore something new. And everybody's just helping each other. I mean, there are lot of shots where Hrithik has taken perhaps maybe retake just for me. He's perfect, but he'll say, Yami, I think you can do a little better. What if you just try this? Or Amit will come up with something, or Rakesh ji will have, his inputs, and of course Sanjay. And yet everybody is so happy. So it's almost like, he said it totally right, we were in our own world, and a world which was, which we didn't want to maybe come out. But I think now it's time to share that world with you, what we have experienced, what we've gone through. And I think I'm not just smiling because I'm sitting here and we got to smile for the cameras, but it's really that smile which comes, it's just a happy, smile, because that's the state of mind we're in. That's the state of heart actually we're in. We're actually literally presenting our hearts to you, and we hope to touch yours. So, thank you.
Thank you so much. Sanjay ji, एक्शन करते करते प्यार कब हो गया?
बस ये फिल्म में सीख लिया. No, but as the rest of the team is saying, मैं अभी यहाँ बैठा था और जब गाना एक बार जब चल गया, दूसरी बार चला, so again a part of me was obviously we were very, very happy to present, but I was sad. I said, okay, this is also gone. You know, for me, this movie has been, it's like your baby, your child, and you want your child obviously to do well in the world, to go out, make a name for himself and all that. तो आप उसको पालते हो, पोसते हो, बड़ा करते हो, पर जब वो जाता है ना तो बहुत, you know, so it is, I mean, that is the feeling that it's been an amazing journey and the most collaborative team I've ever worked with.
Wow, superb sir. और जहाँ तक बच्चे के जाने की बात की, I'm sure इसी परिवार के संग एक और बच्चा कर लेंगे सर बहुत जल्द, है ना? भूषण जी, this one's for you. You know, म्यूजिक की बात करें और मैं मिलियंस हिट्स की बात नहीं करूं तो बनता नहीं है जब तक टी सीरीज का म्यूजिक है. तो यहाँ पे सर ये हर जॉनर को एकदम ऐसा बॉस की तरह रूल करना सर कैसे हो जाता है सर?
सीधे इसका क्रेडिट आई थिंक राकेश जी और राजेश जी को जाता है. एंड पिछले 10 साल से वी आर वर्किंग विद देम, मीन्स सारी फिल्म का म्यूजिक हम करते हैं. एंड ऑलवेज दे हैव गिवन ग्रेट मेलोडियस म्यूजिक एंड दैट थिंग कंटिन्यूज विद काबिल. And I would like to wish the entire team, Hrithik, Yami, and Rakesh ji, Rajesh ji, Sanjay Gupta, and entire team of Kabil all the best, because the music is doing really well. Right. All the songs are just fantastic, and we are looking towards the film. And I am happy to see half an hour of the film. जो राकेश जी इमोशन की बात कर रहे थे, I would stamp on that, like इमोशन इतना strong है फिल्म में कि मीन्स अब यू हैव टू सी टू बिलीव इट. मीन्स अब मैंने आधे घंटे की बीच में से फिल्म देखी एंड आई वाज सो कनेक्टेड कि मीन्स आई कांट एक्सप्लेन. सो इट इज सुपर्ब.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. राजेश जी आपके पास आते हैं. अमेजिंग जॉब विद द म्यूजिक, और अभी नहीं 43 सालों से चला आ रहा है सर. ये वक्त से पहले कैसे आगे तक का कैसे कर लेते हैं, और हर बार फ्रेश मेलोडीज सर?
वक्त से पहले?
हाँ, मतलब पहले से पहले सोच लेते हैं?
वक्त के साथ रहता हूँ.
आप आगे की सोच लेते हैं सर?
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. मैं हमेशा मतलब सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या ट्रेंड है. और इसमें मैं आपको बताऊँ, जो बात सच है वो बता रहा हूँ. टू मेक अ फिल्म ऑन लाइक ब्लाइंड पीपल इज़ नॉट ईजी. द प्रोड्यूसर, द एक्टर्स एंड द डायरेक्टर, द कैमरामैन किस मतलब गली से गुजरे होंगे मैं समझ सकता हूँ. पर दोस्तों, मेरे लिए ये जॉब बहुत ईजी था, क्योंकि मेरे लिए हार्ड होता है जहाँ सिर्फ एक्शन होता है. तो क्रिश मेरे लिए बहुत हार्ड था. ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए काफ़ी इजी था. इसलिए जो भी हुआ वो अच्छा हुआ है. खैर
सर, वो इतना बखूबी निभाया था तो ये तो और डबल ट्रिपल बखूबी निभाया.
मैं और कुछ कहना चाह रहा था. आज का जो बैंड मैंने देखा है उसने मेरी आंखें खोल दी हैं. मेरा एक शो होने वाला है अभी, जिसमें मैं सोच रहा था ये गाना लूँ, पर मेरे साथ बहुत सारे म्यूजिशियंस हैं. बावजूद उसके मैं सोच रहा था कि यार ये टैटू टैटू गाना आसान है क्या करना. आज मेरी आंखें सचमुच खुल गईं जब 4 आदमियों ने ये गाना इतनी बेहतरीन तरीके से गाया और बजाया.
बिल्कुल,
आज मेरी आंखें खुल गई.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. रोहित भाई आपके पास आ जाते हैं. बहुत गलत कर रहे हो आप. नहीं करना चाहिए था सर ऐसे. क्यों इतना परफेक्शन के साथ इतना बैडी बनना सर, कैसे?
मैंने संजय गुप्ता साहब आपको बताएंगे, जब राकेश जी ने मुझे ऑफिस बुलाया था, शाम को मैं गुप्ता साहब के घर गया और स्क्रिप्ट सुनने के बाद ऑब्वियसली आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, आई वाज ब्लोन अवे, एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड माय रोल आई वाज ब्लोन अवे टोटली. आई सेड आई कांट डू दिस फिल्म, एंड आई वेंट अवे. आई डिडंट स्लीप ऑल नाइट, And the next day, and Rakesh ji was asking him कि अरे लड़का मना क्यों कर रहा है? He said, sir, मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. I don't know if I can do it. And then I must say, he said something about being emotional, emotional journey. Gupta is of course my family, but Rakesh ji and especially Ritik, the words, the support, the love that they've shown me and my brother actually has helped us a lot. And I'm not saying this because I'm on stage, you know it. It's just been fantastic. It comes organically to both of them. Ritik I've known for a very long time, but through the journey of this film, it's actually like I've come to know him better and better. And I'm sure this is my favorite song. I don't know whether you guys agree. And there's one shot which can only come organically. After he takes the first couple of steps and he says, Mon Amour, the second Mon Amour, there's a genuine glee in his eyes, which says, oh man, I got it. So I think that journey has been fantastic. And I'm sorry, Ami, for the things I did in the film. Not meant. The whole fault is Sanjay Gupta.
अब आप लोगों को पता लग गया क्या दिखाना है. ये है संजय सर की वजह से हुआ है. Thank you so
No,
much.
I wanted to say something because a very important part of the song is its choreographer, Ahmed Khan. And Ahmed is not here because he's not well, unfortunately. But I definitely want to say this, that you know, when we conceive a film, we conceive scenes, we conceive songs, तो एक जहन में एक आइडिया रहता है, एक विजुअल रहता है. ये जो गाना था, इस गाने के जो स्क्रिप्ट में था, पर ये कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, it was a complete blank for me. And the entire credit for this song, the way it's been visualized and picturized, is Ahmed Khan. And the choreography that he's done, it is really very difficult when you just sit back and think about it, that two people who are visually impaired, how are they going to dance and how convincing it's going to be. You know, so for him to pull it off, and of course the way Ritik and Yami have formed, it's just, for me, it's a miracle.
It's just superb. Ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. You can ask your questions. And just take छोटी सी गुजारिश है. We'll stick to this movie and the song, please. Thank you. You have a mic? No? I'll give it to you.
So firstly, my heartiest congratulations to the team of Kabil and congrats. So firstly, Ritik, while you speak about the capability and ability, it sounds quite philosophic and it shows कि ये आपकी काबिलियत को ही दर्शाता है. कौन-कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें आप सोचते हैं कि आप बेहद काबिल हैं?
कौन-कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें
आपको लगता है कि आप काफ़ी काबिल हैं?
मैं हर चीज़ में. ये मेरी सोच है. My premise in my life is that I am able and capable of doing every single thing that I want to do. And I think we all should have that same thought process. Because that is the starting point. If you don't believe you can do it, then you can't do it. So I truly believe that we all are capable of doing much, much more than what we think we can.
Okay, thank you. Well, Sanjay ji, and I don't think, should I ask with Sanjay ji or Mr. Rakesh, आपकी मूवीज़ में अब तक जो भी आपने मूवीज़ बनाई हैं, बेसिकली वो डिसेबल लोग जो हैं उनके ऊपर जो है रही हैं ज़्यादातर जो है. लेकिन जब आप ये मूवी कर रहे थे तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था और कितना मीन्स अलग हट के आपको लगता था ये जॉनर रहेगा?
चैलेंजिंग काम करना ही में ही मज़ा आता है. जो आप सब्जेक्ट लेते हैं, जो आपको स्लीपलेस नाइट्स देते हैं, उसी पिक्चर को कामयाब बनाना, उसी में एक सफलता की एक जीत होती है. तो मैंने आज तक जितनी भी पिक्चरें बनाई हैं, हमेशा अपने आप को चैलेंज किया है, अपने आप को स्लीपलेस नाइट्स दी है कि मैं ये पिक्चर नहीं बना सकता लेकिन बना के बताऊंगा. और वही चैलेंज मैं फिर ऋतिक को देता हूँ कि ऋतिक ये तुम्हें ये रोल करना है, कोई मिल गया, मैं तुम्हें क्रिश बनना है, सुपर हीरो, तुम्हें काबिल में ये रोल करना है. और वो भी इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करता है और पूरी तरह से निभाता है. संजय, you would like to add something on this?
You said it all.
Ritik, here. Hi. Ritik, ये कोइंसिडेंस ही है कि आपने संजय जी की जो गुजारिश की थी उसमें भी आपका एक डिफरेंट तरह का रोल है और इसमें भी डिफरेंट तरह का रोल है, लेकिन उस रोल में आप जितने लाइफ के लिए उतने पॉजिटिव नहीं थे और बहुत निराशावादी थे, और इस फिल्म में आप लाइफ के लिए बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं और एग्रेसिव भी। तो ये रोल उस रोल से कितना डिफरेंट है गुजारिश के रोल से?
मेरे ख्याल से both the characters were very positive. Ethan in Guzarish was also a very positive character. 17 साल he chose to create his life in the best way possible in spite of being a quadriplegic. And after 17 years, he feels that now he's done it all and now he decides that he wants to end it. So that is also a very positive character. I don't think I would ever do a character, play a character which does not spread some light, some brightness into the world. So all my characters have been bright in some way. In some way, it needs to be a little inspiring because I need to be inspired. But Kabil, I realized that from all the characters which I have played, there have been some which have been challenging, like Koi Mil Gaya, Guzarish. But Kabil has definitely been one that I had to give most time to, and most effort in the prep. Because I realized that as an actor, to develop the skill of playing blind takes time. It took a lot of time to understand how to get the body language right and how to, reacting for the first time is one thing, but reacting again and again and again when you have retakes makes it even more tough. So in that regard, it has been different because it's taken a lot of more time and more effort. And I think it's one of the most difficult roles that I have tried to play.
राजेश जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है सेंटर में।
या
जी, आजकल एक्टर्स जो लीड एक्टर्स हैं या सुपरस्टार्स हैं वो गाने भी गाते हैं, तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि आप ऋतिक को किसी गाने में प्रयोग में लाएं?
मैंने गवाया है अपने ऋतिक को फॉर द फिल्म काइट्स। उसमें इंग्लिश गाना है एक, इन्होंने गाया है, बहुत अच्छे से गाया है, बहुत मेहनत करी हम लोगों ने, और मेरे ख्याल उनका ये फर्स्ट गाना था जो मैंने गवाया। Is that so? Is it so? Right? And after that he started to sing outside and he's been singing so well कि yesterday I was hearing the song on the radio, जो सैल्सा नंबर है डुगु, अपना सैल्सा का नंबर जो है
Senorita.
हाँ, वो सेनोरिटा गाना मैं सुन रहा था, तो when his part came, my God, I was shocked. भाई ये आदमी कैसे गा रहा है ऐसे गाना? Unbelievable, that is. I don't know where he has to go from here now. मैं तो कहता हूँ वो गाए, प्रैक्टिस करे और बहुत अच्छा सिंगर बन जाए।
ऋतिक, आप रोशन खानदान से, हम चाहेंगे 2 लाइन अगर आप गुनगुना दें, चाहे वो टाइटल ट्रैक ही क्यों ना हो।
क्यों, मुझे पता था कि नेक्स्ट सवाल आपका यही होगा। हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन का, हाँ,
बट सर आप बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं।
This question was actually for this question. हाँ,
तो मैं माहौल बना रहा था मैं। 2 लाइन।
यार, आज नहीं, कल।
Hello, Yummy, my question goes to you.
Ma'am,
in
I
the
can't
center.
see you. Oh, hi.
Yummy, working with Hrithik was, you were nervous? Means such a big banner, Rakesh ji and all that. I just saw that Hrithik hold your hand while coming down. So much comfort zone is there. How was
That's
that?
curtsy. That you call that a curtsy, just
Yeah,
to clarify.
right.
And secondly,
Yeah.
it's sometimes maybe the heels, sometimes the dress, sometimes the steps. Better, no?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. You were nervous and all that. What was your reaction in the sets and all that with him?
I like this part of the question, first of all. And secondly, yes, of course, I was very nervous. And I shared that with Rakesh ji. I remember meeting Rakesh ji first, and I told him, sir, I'm very nervous. And he said, so what? Even I get nervous before my every film. And you know what? You must share that with Hrithik because he really appreciates honesty. So why don't you just share with him because we never met before. We met on the set. तो मुझे याद है आज भी पहला दिन जब मेरे शॉट को भी टाइम था एंड ऋतिक वाज गिविंग हिज इंट्रोडक्शन शॉट एंड आई वाज लाइक my God, he's already Rohan, he's already in character, and have I done enough, or have I prepared enough? And there were so many questions, and that's just me. That's nothing to do with anybody else. Sanjay sir had gone like, Siyami, please relax now, chill, everything will be fine, and everybody. And when I met him for the first time, of course, I said, "Hi, I'm Yami, and I'm very nervous."
And I said, thank God, because so am I. So we were both very relieved that we both were starting on the same platform, you know. And then I think all of us, because we were honest about how scared we were doing a film like this, I think we all began that process of helping each other and, you know, taking care of everything and everyone on the set so beautifully. We all felt very protected, I think. That's very secured and protected. So it was beautiful.
And literally helping each other to make sure not the other one trips. So that answers both the questions.
Hi Ritik, watching you dance of course is an absolute pleasure, but every film of yours has a dance number and so does this one, despite you playing a person with a disability. Was there ever a question in your mind, like when we are watching it, we're like, you know, how is that even possible? So I'm sure there was a question like that in your mind?
Yes, there was. There was a question about a lot of things in my mind when I was playing blind. But then I opened my eyes and I looked around in the world and I saw not one, not two, not 10. I saw thousands of unbelievable stories about the blind and what they are capable of. I have met blind CEOs of companies which make millions. I have there are blind photographers who are national awardees, blind kung fu champions, a blind photographer, a cricket team, blind lawyers, musicians, vocalists, guitarists, I mean, you name it. So when I realized all of this, I also realized that now Kabil bears a huge responsibility, and I and Yami bear a huge responsibility to make people aware. Yes, I want you to ask that question. I want you to ask that how can they dance, because then you'll get an answer. You'll get the answer which will be the truth of what happens around, what is the truth in this world of ours. And this stereotypical conditioned mindset of what blind means has been actually projected by our films only, where in our films the blind is thoda help. It is not like that. It is absolutely not like that. That is why I said that they are not just as able and capable as us. They are maybe more, because they are doing it with one sensory less. So they are more, in fact, capable. I'm not just saying it. There are examples which I think in due course will come out through the process of
also, I
this
think,
campaign.
Udan, how we started.
Yeah, we just saw an example this afternoon. And there are so many more that it will soon become commonplace, which is why I said that I wasn't surprised, I wasn't shocked, I'm not exhilarated. I am happy that, you know, they are here and they are playing, and I'm seeing them. I'm saying these guys are cool, man. They're so cool, you know, black glasses, and they're like, you know, the rock band. I love it. So, which is what needs to happen. You know, we all need to come to an understanding that the blind is people who we need to be very casual about now, you know, and challenge them more, because they are ready for that challenge. Yeah.
Ritik, it's great that you know, tried to remove the tag of disability from blindness, but unfortunately a tag of disability has come onto women with the recent case of molestation that happened in Bangalore, and this is what everybody is talking about. Have you read about it in the news, and what was your reaction when you heard about it, and how can we prevent it?
I wasn't here. I didn't see the news in real time, but yes, it is sad. We all bear a responsibility, and we all must do something about that. I feel very strongly as a father, as a member of this society, that if something like this is happening in an environment so close to me, then I definitely must be impacted, I must be affected, and I must do something about it.
Two questions, please.
Yeah, I don't make resolutions. Resolutions we all break. I take decisions. So I've decided to be even healthier and fitter in this year. क्योंकि मेरी सोच है that if your health is with you, then you have everything. If your health is there, then everything else is depending on your willpower and your drive. So I only pray for health. I pray for the health of all of us here. Happy New Year to all of you, and wish you a lot of good health this year, even better. So you can, yeah. उसके बारे में आपको बैकस्टेज में बताता हूँ.
Right, that's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the entire team of Kabil over here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
Stills के लिए,
Thank
you
you.
know,
Thank you.
we'll do a couple of solos.
Being with us. Thank you.